Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow nearby devices permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and then click on permission manager. Now in permission manager, to allow or don't allow the nearby devices permission, scroll down and click on nearby devices, and here it will show you the list of apps that can use the nearby devices permissions. So if you want to allow a app to use nearby device permission, then go to the not allowed section and from here choose the app that you want to allow to use the nearby device permission. Now tap on a app and then click on allow, and after selecting allow here, now this app will be moved to the allowed section. So here you can see this is the allowed section and the app is moved to the allowed section. And if you want to deny the app to use nearby device permission, then tap on that app again and then click on don't allow, and then this app will be moved to the not allowed section. And now scroll down, so this is the not allowed section and the app is moved to the not allowed section. So that's how you can allow or don't allow nearby device permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.